Top 10 Bakery in Austin. 1. Bread Boat, 5, 302 reviews, East 7th Street. 2. Violette Bakehouse, 4.9, 226 reviews, Medical Arts number 300. 3. Latin Bakery Austin, 4.8, 229 reviews, Ranch to Market Road 2222 number 4. 4. Nate's Baked Goods and Coffee, 4.7, 366 reviews, Orchard Suite B. 5. Upper Crust Bakery, 4.6, 1410 reviews, Burnet Road. 6. OMG Squee, 4.6, 1182 reviews, Bolm Rd Suite A. 7. Jours, 4.6, 922 reviews, and Lamar Blvd B115. 8. Teal House Coffee and Bakery, 4.6, 393 reviews, South Congress Avenue. 9. Joe's Bakery and Coffee Shop, 4.5, 2,656 reviews, East 7th Street. 10. 85 degrees Celsius Bakery Cafe, 4.5, 1852 reviews, Airport Boulevard number 197.